Last year, President Cyril Ramaphosa announced the economic recovery plan to revive the country's economy. Ramaphosa said infrastructure investment, delivery and maintenance will play a leading role in South Africa's economic reconstruction and recovery. He also said the modernization of freight and public transport will receive immediate attention. While the African Rail Association welcomes this, it says rail has long been the backbone of the country's logistics and transport value chain, and COVID-19 has increased the demand for rail sector. The association is now calling for urgent need to open up the sector to allow for more independent participants. Investment in the rail and freight sector has been lagging for years, this negatively impacting the economy.
In order to sustain our economy and recover to address the underlying causes of low economic growth. And these structural reforms have been delayed for several reasons, but the agency has increased. We need to support a swift economic recovery.
Traction Chief Executive Officer James Holley says there is growing appetite in rail investment.
Our shareholders have an appetite and a real interest to invest into the sector. And it's off the back of that, following President Ramaphosa's announcement of third-party access in the Economic Reconstruction and Recovery Plan in October last year, that we announced a R1.5 billion build program into locomotives and wagons, most of which, interestingly, would be assembled and manufactured in South Africa.
ARIA calls on government to action the third-party access in the rail industry.
We recently, on the 25th of July, the President announced that we need to accelerate the structural reforms. And we as the rail industry, we are willing and able. There is nothing in law that prevents the government to grant us third-party access today. This has been confirmed by our legal counsel. This has been confirmed by the railway safety regulator. So we encourage government to grant us access.
Deputy Finance Minister David Masondo was expected to speak at the African Rail Industry Association webinar. However, he cancelled his attendance due to other commitments. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.